Huawei is propelling the Nova 2i in the Philippines this October 21st. It's the principal cell phone from the organization that games a nearly bezel-less show, an element that we, just as a rule, find in top-of-the-line cell phones. The Huawei Nova 2i joins a few other mid-go cell phones to go the method for an immersive show, alongside the LG Q6 and the Vivo V7 Plus. The gadget is a pleasant-looking cell phone, looks to some degree like the Huawei P10, however less complex and subtler. It accompanies an all-metal unibody plan and a thin profile in spite of the humongous 5.9-inch show. The span of the telephone is as yet sensible, agreeable, really thinking about the substantial show, on account of its 83% screen-to-body proportion. It's just 7.5mm thin and 164 grams in weight, which is entirely useful for the size. The metal body feels strong on the hands, and the matte complete gives it that exemplary look, much the same as a P10 Plus. Actually, the two nearly have the same correct measurements and net weight, with the exception of that the P10 Plus is only 5.5 inches and the Nova 2i is 5.9 inches. Talking about the show, the Nova 2i accompanies a colossal 5.9-inch screen and a Full HD Plus determination, which is as yet appealing and fresh at this size. It has a nearly bezel-less show at the front, with the glass marginally bending out around the edges. The 18:9 screen angle proportion is turning into the standard this year, and the Nova 2i takes after that is tradition. The power catch and volume controls are on the correct side. The 3.5mm sound jack, amplifiers, and micro USB port are at the base alongside the essential receiver. Up top is a commotion scratching off mic, and on the left side is the SIM opening. The Nova 2i underpins double nano SIM plate with the second one that can likewise deal with a micro SD card space. Just the primary SIM plate underpins 4G LTE, while the second one just backings 2 grams.